If you want to make daily affiliate commissions, you need an email list. But building a high-quality lead magnet from scratch takes days of writing and design work. What if you could skip all of that and get a complete, done-for-you list building system for just one single dollar? Welcome to App Verdict. Today, I am reviewing the free AI Prompt Vault PLR package. Keep watching because I am also going to reveal a massive stack of 10 exclusive bonuses you will get for free if you pick this up through my link below. Let me give you my quick verdict right up front. For exactly $1, this is a complete no-brainer. If you want to build a buyer list fast, this package gives you everything you need. You get the report, the squeeze pages, and the graphics. It saves you hundreds of dollars on freelancers and hours of frustrating tech setup. So what exactly is the free AI Prompt Vault? It is a brand new private label rights lead magnet package created by Jason Oikel. The topic is incredibly hot right now. It teaches your audience how to use AI to skyrocket their marketing and email engagement. It is designed specifically for affiliate marketers, product creators, and beginners who have no email list. The biggest problem new marketers face is staring at a blank page. They do not know what to give away to collect emails. This package solves that instantly. You get full PLR rights. That means you can edit it, put your own name on it as the author, and give it away to build your list immediately. Let us look at exactly what you get inside the download area once you purchase. First, you get a professionally written report that is over 1,200 words long. It comes in a standard Word document format, so you can easily open it, tweak it, and add your own affiliate links inside. Next, you don't even have to build a landing page. The package includes mobile-ready HTML lead capture and thank you pages. You just upload these files to your hosting, connect your autoresponder, and you are ready to collect leads within the hour. You also get a full set of professional product graphics and promotional banners. They even include the raw Photoshop PSD files in case you want to change the colors or rebrand the cover completely. Let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. The front-end offer is on a special launch discount right now for just $1. After the launch ends, this will jump up to $10. When you go to checkout, you'll see an order bump for the 100 subscriber traffic swipe vault for $9.97. This is great if you need instant traffic templates. But the most important upgrade to look out for is OTO 1. For just $17, you get unrestricted PLR to the entire package. This means you can actually turn around and sell the PLR rights to other people, keeping 100% of the profits. I highly recommend grabbing OTO 1 if you want to make quick cash selling PLR. To make this an absolute slam dunk, I have put together an exclusive App Verdict bonus package that you can only get when you click the link in the description below. These 10 tools are designed to help you get more traffic and more leads with your new PLR package. Bonus number 1 is the Lead Book Generator plugin. This easily connects Facebook lead ads directly to your autoresponder. Bonus number 2 is Find and Replace PLR software. This tool lets you edit large amounts of PLR documents with one click, saving you hours of manual editing. Bonus number 3 is the PowerList Pro plugin. This lets you build highly converting pop-ups to collect emails directly from your block. Bonus number 4 is the Action Poll software. You can use this to segment your new email list to get higher open rates and better affiliate sales. Bonus number 5 is the two-step opt-in generator. This creates high-converting affiliate squeeze pages without any technical headaches. Bonus number 6 is Opt-in Monster. This adds floating opt-in panels to your site to legally force visitors to see your new lead magnet. Bonus number 7 is WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers right inside your follow-up emails to force people to buy your affiliate offers. Bonus number 8 is Email List Secrets video course, a complete tutorial on how to monetize the list you are about to build. Bonus number 9 is the Auto Support Bot. Add an automated live chat to your site that collects leads for you while you sleep. And bonus number 10 is WP Swift Page plugin. This speeds up your squeeze pages so you don't lose mobile visitors to slow loading times. My final verdict is simple. Grab this right now. You can't even buy a cup of coffee for $1 anymore, but today you can buy a complete list-building business asset. However, you need to act fast. The $1 launch special is ending very soon, and the price will jump up to nearly $10. Also, my 10 exclusive app verdict bonuses are strictly limited to the first 50 action takers. Once those spots are gone, I will be removing the bonus stack completely. Don't miss out on hundreds of dollars worth of software. Click the link in the description below right now to secure your copy of the free AI Prompt Vault and instantly claim all 10 of my exclusive bonuses. Your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus account. Just click the blue Access Affiliate Bonus button on your receipt page. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the App Verdict channel for more no-nonsense software reviews, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.